everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful makeup using only these makeup brushes. This video is sponsored by my makeupbrushset.com. They sent me this set of makeup brushes, and as you can see, I have just finished using them. During the video, I'm going to do a little review and I will be showing you how I use them and how pleased I am with them. They also gave me a 20% discount code. The coupon is Save with General Russell, and all you have to do is enter in at the checkout and you're going to get a 20% off your entire order. I'm going to leave the link to the website on the description box, so make sure you go and have a look. I'll be honest with you, I reached out to the brand because I saw their website and I fell in love with all the makeup brushes sets they have, and I also love the prices. You know that if I'm going to talk to you about a product, it has to be an affordable product.
So this is the presentation of the brushes. This is how they come. At the back it tells you the name of each one of the brushes. There are 10 brushes, 5 luxe face brushes, and a collection of their 5 best-selling eyebrow and lip brushes. So this is the precision blush, the luxe powder, the angle foundation, the luxe tapered sculptor, and the flat top contour. They are all very fluffy and super soft. The hair is not falling or shedding. Then we have the tall tapered blender, the stubby shader, the short smudger, and the last two are so fine that they're perfect to define edges.
All I use for this makeup are these brushes and only a beauty blender to blend out the concealer under my eyes. So I am extremely pleased. As you can see, the makeup looks extremely nice.
And here is a closer look. Look at that foundation, my goodness. It's only a BB cream, but it looks so perfect.
The material is actually good material. I have even tried doing this to see if the hair comes off. It doesn't come off. They are very fluffy and the hair is very soft. It feels so gentle on the skin. When I was doing the makeup, I didn't have any problem. It's not spiky, it's very soft. Look at that. Let me show you from the mirror. My favorite one of all these is this foundation brush. I normally don't use a foundation brush to do my foundation because I don't think they do a good work. But I tried this one and I was amazed to see how easily the foundation blended out. It was easy to spread as well. I actually really liked it. I'm going to start using it for my foundation these days, so you can see how I used every single one of them on this makeup.
To begin my makeup, I'm going to take the short smudge brush and I'm going to draw the shape of my eyebrows and then fill in the spaces. Then I'm going to take the next brush and I'm going to put some concealer on it to define the edges of my eyebrow. To prime my eyes, I use the white jumbo from NYX, and then using the stubby shader brush, I'm going to seal that white jumbo for the other eyeshadows to blend easily. Then I'm going to use exactly the same brush and I'm going to apply this dark pink on my crease and in the outer corner of my eye. Then again, using the same brush, I'm taking this dark brown and applying it on top of the pink one to darken it a little bit more. I'm also applying it from the corner to the lid. Now I'm using the tall tapered blender brush to highlight my brow bone and then apply this pink champagne on the lid. And my last eyeshadow is this dark purple. Now I'm going to apply some eyelash glue for the glitter to stay on all day. And using this flat brush, I'm tapping the glitter on my lid. And here comes the part that I am most excited about. So I never apply my BB cream or foundation with a makeup brush because I don't think the coverage is good or the BB cream doesn't blend out properly. But oh my goodness, I was so impressed with this brush that I could not believe the coverage of my BB cream. It actually looks like a foundation. It just looked perfect. Then using the same brush that I used for the concealer on my eyebrows, I'm applying the concealer under my eyes and then blending it out with a BB cream. Then with the luxe tapered sculptor, I apply some loose powder on the concealer And using the Luxe powder brush, I'm applying my pressed powder all over my face to cover the rest of the BB cream. I love the fact that the brush took the right amount of powder, so it looks very natural. Then I'm so excited about this flat top contour brush because I didn't have a contour brush, and it's just perfect to give that shape to your face, especially on the hairline and the cheekbone. I love the fact that its size and shape are even perfect for your nose. And the last brush I'm using is the Precision Blush brush to apply the blush, and I actually love the shape. It's just perfect to apply the right amount of blush where you want it. Next, I remove the excess of loose powder from under my eyes, apply a little bit of highlighter on my cheeks, nose and the top of my lips, and finish with my lipstick. And this is the final look. I really liked it. I love the fact that the foundation looks so smooth and it looks very natural. There's no excess of product anywhere in my face. The eyeshadows were blended very well. It's hard to believe that I only used 3 eyeshadow brushes for this makeup. Definitely, I would highly recommend the brushes. The makeup speaks by itself.
Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I recreate the makeup. Go and have a look at the website because believe me, the prices are very affordable and the makeup brushes are good quality for the price. You can actually buy them and you will not be spending a lot of money. I believe that you don't have to spend much money to have good results, and these makeup brushes have just proved it. So I hope you liked it. I hope you go and have a look on the website. Don't forget to use the discount code to get a 20% off. And remember that the link to the website will be down on the description box. Thank you ever so much again for watching. Lots of kisses. Please don't leave without following me on my social media. Clicking on the bell down below so you can receive notifications every time there is a new video. Clicking on that picture there to subscribe immediately to the channel. And watching these other 2 makeup tutorials that I am sure you are going to like. Remember, we have English videos every Monday. I'll see you next Monday with another video. Bye!